Hello and welcome to Forest Thrills. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click down below and click that subscribe button. In today's video, we're in the Clayton Hotel in Glasgow. We're going to give you a full room tour, and at the end, we're going to let you know exactly what we think. So, let's go, guys. As usual, guys, I'm going to start off the tour here at the front door. We've got fire safety information, peephole, locking system. There's some door signs right here, do not disturb, and an assistance sign. And to the left, in with the key card, on comes the power. Pretty standard stuff. There's plenty of space here though as you come in. First things first, right here we have some luggage storage. Dumped our bags there, and up above there's a couple of hooks there for any jackets or anything you might want to hang up. And there's also space below as well. I'll show you this wardrobe, seeing as I'm right here. I'll open it up, and inside you'll find plenty of towels, and there's also spare pillows up above. There's an iron, nearly forgot the name of that there, an iron, and an ironing board as well. There's a hairdryer in the corner. There's also a laundry service here. Feel free to pause if you want to see any of the prices. I'll just scan over that for you. Yeah, feel free to pause it. As I mentioned, there's the hairdryer, and just below there's also a safe as well. Close that over, and I'll show you the room itself. That's what you want to see. Beautiful room, very modern, very clean, lovely. Of course, this room here, it comes with the double bed and the single. On the wall here we have, that's just the controls there for the air conditioning. We do have that on, it's up above there, so you might hear it, but yep, lovely full length mirror right there, and there's a plug socket below. To the side we've got a bin, and there's also a QR code here. Feel free to scan it if you want to take a look. A couple of sockets here, USB as well, TV remote, and we've got the goodies under here. One of my favourite parts coming to the hotel, seeing what freebies they provide. We've got some caramel logs, plenty of milk, tea, coffee, decaf coffee, everything you could possibly need. Kettle, there's a few mugs, and I'm not sure they provided this when we last stayed, but oh, sparkling water, and there's also some still water as well, so that's a nice touch. It must be a new thing they're doing here, but I'm certainly not complaining. There's some storage underneath, and more storage just there. I'd love to see a mini fridge put in there, just for some extra storage space for any sort of beverages you might have brought with you. Please excuse the background noise, actually, I'll mention that. We've got the window open, it's a warm day here in Glasgow, so you can hear sirens, and you can also see there's some trains going by. But yeah, just take a second actually and appreciate that view. We did actually request for a high up room, and this one is on the 15th floor, so we're very high up, and you can see why we wanted this room, because the view, quite frankly, is stunning. I'll show you how high up we are. Look down there. There's the pavement, and this is the view. There's 16 floors in this hotel, I do believe, and yeah, we're nearly at the top. What a view. I'll stick in a clip as well just to show you what it looks like at night time. It's amazing. Yeah, I'll continue the tour. We've got this little seating area here, and they've also added some instructions for the air conditioning in case you're wondering how to work it. And they've also added Chromecast to the TVs, which is very cool. We've been watching some of our favourite YouTube channels already. Tuck in the chair. But yep, the side of the bed, there's a nice lamp there, sockets, tissues, a nice bedside table with some storage inside. There's a lovely artwork piece on the wall. And in the middle here, there's another socket, some light controls, who calls them that? Switches. It's a telephone, hopefully don't need to use it. We never have when we stayed here before. And there's some more storage just there. There's this lovely desk area. Nearly missed that, one of the main features. But yeah, huge desk area. There's a nice lamp and this lovely office chair as well. Big mirror on the wall, and of course I mentioned the Chromecast. But yeah, it's a nice sized flat screen TV here. Walker, I've never really heard of the brand before, but perfectly fine TVs. It's got the Chromecast on there. We just spend the whole time watching YouTube, catching up with Theme Park Worldwide right now. But yeah, it's a really nice room, plenty of space, and it's extremely clean. Not a single complaint about this. So yeah, next guys, I'll take you into the bathroom and I'll show you what it's like in there. I'll take you guys in here and give you the tour. Start off at the sink. Lovely big area, modern sink, nice and clean. At the side, there's some glasses, 3 of them. On the wall, we do have some ports there for electric shavers, and a nice vanity mirror on the wall as well. See my ugly mug in the mirror. We have some complimentary hand soap right there. Down below, there's a hand towel, and at my feet there's a bin as well. And just underneath there's also some storage space for anything you might have brought with you. I'll show you behind the door. That's where you'll find the toilet. Plenty of toilet roll there on the wall, and your flush control right there. And there's the toilet. Just behind me, we also have a huge shower. Plenty of space in there. There's your rainfall head up above, and just on the wall we've got your handheld. Some storage space there for toiletries, and there's also some more just there. There's a towel on the wall there, and just below there's also a bath mat. You can see there's some more toiletries. I'll lean in here. It's a hair and body wash, and also those are the controls for the shower. Plenty of space in there. However, I will mention this. Floor tiles, as you can see, looking a little bit grubby, and the grouting could do with a bit of a scrub. But it's a nice bathroom, plenty of space, and it's generally pretty clean, apart from those tiles, which is a shame. But yeah. And as promised guys, this is the view from the room at night time. I did say it would be absolutely stunning, and it definitely is that. I hope you agree. Please excuse the raindrops on the window. It's been a rather stormy night here in Glasgow, but it didn't stop that view. Definitely worth asking to be on a high up floor. 100% worth it. You've seen the room tour, and let us know down in the comments, what did you think? This is actually our most stayed in hotel in Glasgow. We've stayed here so many times, and not all of those stays have been perfect. So in today's video, we wanted to just do a full review and let you guys know what we thought. And if you go back to our first ever stay, the hotel was brand new. It was only a few months old. Now we're filming this in July, so it's aged a little bit. It's matured. Is it matured like a fine wine? Not really, but it is still an excellent stay. The cleanliness here is spot on. The friendliness of the staff is really good. We've never had any problems to raise to the staff, so we've not really put them to the test. But any dealings we've had with the staff have been perfectly fine. And the rooms themselves, they're spacious, they're modern, you can't really ask for much more. The view as well, we did request this room to be up on a high floor. I mentioned earlier I think it's 16 floors in this hotel and we're on the 15th floor. I think the highest we stayed in before was either floor 9 or floor 10. Can't quite remember, but floor 15 we're on right now. You've seen from that view yourselves, absolutely stunning. We did request it though. It's not guaranteed that you'll get the view because before, when we stayed here, we actually ended up looking out onto a building, but it's definitely worth requesting the view. It's stunning. My only gripe was the grouting in the bathroom was a little bit grubby, but it's nothing major. There hasn't been a fleck of dust and there's been no other problems. The location of the hotel itself is Glasgow city centre. You'll know, you're probably watching this because you're looking for somewhere good to stay. Glasgow has lots of things to do. The location here is spot on, looks out on the Clyde. There's loads of things to do around about, restaurants, activities to do, cinemas, loads of things in Glasgow. So I can't speak highly enough of this hotel. The pricing point, this one was £139 and that was for one night stay. It is the summer, as I mentioned, it's July. Usually hotel prices are steep right now. So I thought £139 for the one night was very, very reasonable. It's the deluxe double and single, and yeah, £139 for this. I can't complain. So, the question I like to ask, was it rubbish or was it worth it? And the Clayton Hotel, absolutely worth it. Fantastic hotel, can't recommend it enough. If you've watched this far and I've not bored the life out of you, then make sure you click a thumbs up on the video because it really helps our videos spread and our community that we've got growing. Growing as well. How many times am I going to mess that up? Drop a thumbs up on the video and yeah, it helps it spread, helps the community grow. And if you like what you've seen, click down below and click that subscribe button. From us here at Forest Thrills, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.